should take it slow.
Video guys on the channel. If you guys are excited, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this. I just want to talk about something real quick before we get into it, how to install Blender. If you guys are not subscribed, 99.4% of people have not subscribed. So if you guys could go subscribe, that would be great. Not that I'm begging for subscribers, but I just really want you guys to subscribe because I put work into these videos. So if you have the time and the energy, do subscribe. But anyway, so I'll leave this link in the description for the thing. But for the Linux Blender application terminal kind of script, click terminal. I've done a few of these because I had to do a couple of these in this video. So yep. And sudo install Flatpak. Let's see if I've already done that. I mean, I've already done that, but let's see if it works. Sudo install. Okay, it's the newest version. So you guys want to go over here. You want to copy this. Some of them are no longer needed because they found out. Okay, and then once you do that, you're gonna want to do it's gonna show your penguin again, whatever, and you want to click the last one, like looking for matches. You want to install it, type Y, click enter, and proceed with the default system, Y, and it's going to install each update. So safely close your Linux terminal, and then you guys can go over to terminal. You guys will see Blender, open it up, and you guys will be able to use Blender whenever you guys want. So if you guys like this video, then make sure to like the video and subscribe for more banger content. Now I want to show you guys proof that this works. So now it's open, and I want to be showing you guys that you guys can actually, it's a fully functional surface, because as you guys can see, it's not a black screen or anything. I might try this a few times, like closing it and doing all that, because that might help. But leave a like and subscribe.